Kellyanne Conway right there. She says the Democrats ought to come to the table, help pass this thing.
Well, on January 4th, they passed this reconciliation bill which said we don't want Democrats. We have sent them 10 letters saying, sit down with us. We can improve Obamacare. If you stop doing this repeal, which is Trump care, highly unpopular with the American people, we'll sit down with you and make it better. Even last week, I asked Mitch McConnell, let Democrats and Republicans together, all 100 of us, meet in the old Senate chamber and discuss this. No.
You think
they want to try it themselves first. If they fail, hopefully they'll come sit down. They'll stop sabotaging Obamacare and sit down with us, and we'll make Obamacare better.
Are they going to pass this bill?
I think it's 50-50. First, Democrats, we are doing everything we can to fight this bill because it's so devastating for the middle class. I think they have, at best, a 50-50 chance of passing this bill. To get 3 senators to vote no, you can say yes, you can say no. It's probably 50-50. But the bill is just devastating, and that's what's making it so hard for them to pass it. Here's what it does. It kills the middle class and gives money to the wealthy. And let's not forget one thing, George. The hard right, these 1,000 very wealthy people have such dominance in the Republican Party. They've had 2 goals for decades. 1, reduce taxes on the rich. People who make over $1 million get an average of a $57,000 tax cut. 2, destroy the social safety net for the middle class of Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid. This is the first step where they're doing that in the Senate bill. So that's why there's such pressure on these Republicans, this narrow group of wealthy people with power. But the American people are crying out and saying no.
But if this goes down, you call the White House the next day?
I call the White House the next day. I'd be happy to and say 2 things. First, stop sabotaging Obamacare. This cost-sharing proposal, which Democrats have been for and Republicans have rejected, the insurance industry itself says that's the #1 way to stabilize Obamacare. In fact, CBO said it was being stabilized until they started sabotaging it with this cost-sharing. But 2, sit down and work with us. We have ideas, you have ideas. Stop. You can't repeal Obamacare. That was proven if they lost. We'll work with you to make it better.